than training under the sun on sunny days. It's cold, however, it's a gorgeous day today. It's one of those gorgeous days that gives extra boost because the nature supports with the dopamine boost. So these are the days it's that beautiful thing in the soul that the sun hits. I'll be thankful from the morning, the gratitude morning. I'll be so thankful for the fact that I'm healthy and I'm alive, I'm living, I'm having a good time in London. People got to be thankful for the blessings you have. You know, that's the beauty. You got to be so thankful and have an appreciation for what you get, rather crying about what you don't have. Because if you cry about the things that you do not have, that is what's going to come at you. You know, so you gotta really be thankful for the goodness you have and be thankful and appreciate it. And that's how you recover. That's how you change your entire soul to be so damn good. I've faced injuries that I thought I could never even do a lot of things. Doctors even said. But I got through that. I can do martial arts, high kicks, bam, like things, you know. All those things comes with you be thankful, appreciating, and just kind of keep on training. That's one of the things I say. It's like you got to train, you got to evolve, you got to learn, you got to understand the body dynamics, and you get so damn good. And the coming summer, which is 2025, which is going to be really good. This is going to be the training pad with all level. This week is the leveling is going to start up. The guys are going to really level it up, make it better. Then the fake grass come this side, actual grass come this side. I'm still deciding because I want to be able to train even on the trainy days, because if I put actual grass, it's not going to be the best when I want to jump, do backflips and all those things, because round off all those things. So that's in my mind. Anybody in London and nearby, I'll be starting to invite y'all, you know, and to train martial arts at a very high level, do a little bit of fighting, punching, thing, no damage, but you become really, your reflections are like, and the best thing is like you be able to move, you know, you be able to move as the way you want, the animal flow that keeps you under control. A lot of people lack the movements. A lot of people lack the movements that they need to be strong and amazing in this lifetime. That's something people miss. That's something people need to get. I've been lucky. My dad allowed to train from a young age, had basketball at home, pull up things, got into a lot of trainings in the sports. So I got lucky. And since then, I've been active motherfucker, you know. So that's how you get to that amazing vibe that you can self-regulate and live a long life. If you are a person who think that you want to live 100 plus years, super strong, healthy, and wealthy as well, because you need the money to keep the ball rolling in the smart activities doing and the things, join the tribe. More that I train, but I've got to be mindful about the training. I train every day now, but I try to really change my trainings and the activities I do for the training sessions, right? Before, like that, more than hitting the gym every day, it's better to do activities like the animal flow activities, martial arts, gymnastic, backflipping, all those things. That really helps, you know. So that should be the way to have the longevity and be more strong. Go, 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 go. It's a gorgeous Sunday to live in this planet. Utmost amazing time. This is my solitude period. I was like, since start of the year, I wasn't really getting on a plane. I came back from Bulgaria, third or so, and then I decided, okay, actually the property things are happening, changing the hustle house to the pad for perfect sleep, work, focus, And I'm just like working, sleeping, eating well, training. I'm looking forward for the summer because it's that time to put and evolve for the greater future. Sun hides a little bit. Looks like that big cloud is taking over the sun. So I'll be continuing with my training. And that's my Abby, which I love doing for the day, because to get stronger, awesome abs, you got to do this exercise. That is good. That is good. That is good. In German, das ist gut. Das ist gut. It's almost like in English. This is good. Das ist good. German is pretty, it's very close to English language. Easy to grasp if you be there and spend time. But yeah, say good. So good. Mein Name ist Fernando. My name is Fernando. Let's have sex. Lass uns Sex haben. Boom. It's pretty, yeah. I love the German-speaking countries in the Western Europe. Good. Of course I love Eastern Europe. Each has its goods and the bads and the goodness and everything. But this is the United Kingdom, where I'm spending my time. It's a kingdom, people like it or not. Bro, this is the fucking kingdom, I'm telling you, man. It is such a good place to be. You have no idea what's goodness if you're saying UK is having problems. I mean, where the fuck you don't get problems in life, right? That's the beauty of it. Otherwise you get bored of it. You need the goods and the bads and the ups and the downs and everything to feel even the goodness. So, yeah, Abby, baby. Egg power. Then it's going to be beef power later. To get on the proteins, it's really important. You put the proper proteins to be stronger and healthy. Guys, I'm documenting my trainings almost every day. You can see on Instagram or YouTube about living 100+ years and doing good stuff, protecting the brain, the state, health, recovering, all those things. I'll get back to my round off to back flip after the injury. We'll start into backflip here. All gonna come. I'll see you again in the next video. Live strong.